Are your customers telling you you are too expensive? Watch this video all the way through to find out 3 ways that you can deal with customers that tell you that you are too expensive. If you haven't heard of me before, I'm Ilse Whiteman, known as a cleaning coach, and I've built a very successful cleaning business. And now I help small cleaning business owners do the same, to have more time and more freedom. So last week we discussed 3 reasons why your customers are telling you you're too expensive and what to do about it. So today will be all about how to handle customers that says you're too expensive. So the first way to deal with customers that say you're too expensive is to qualify your customers first. Never give them a straight quote or estimate over the phone. They don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you yet. So therefore they will think you're too expensive. You remember, you have to build the know, like and trust system that will allow your customers to get to know you, to like you and to trust you. And therefore, if you hit their pain point, they'll be less likely to think you're too expensive because they'll see the value you have to offer. And you have to remember, it doesn't matter how good you say you are cleaning wise. It doesn't matter how many customer testimonials you have. Your new customer will have no idea if you're actually really good, because every single cleaning company out there says, we're brilliant, we're good, we're brilliant, we're good. So how will the customer know that you are actually good? Or you're just going to be another cleaning company that's going to let them down. So you have to put their mind at ease. You have to show that you understand your customer, that you can solve their problem. So the second way is to provide a checklist for them before they even see you. And this is to build on the relationship. This is to build on the know, like and trust sequence, and to build very strong authority for you to stand out far above your competitors. Get your free domestic checklist, a thorough checklist that we use to start our customers' journeys off with our company by building know, like and trust and authority. And the third way is by having a pricing structure. You will allow all customers into your business with a payment structure. So therefore, if they come in a bit cheaper, you can still allow them in, but they will know exactly what they're getting for their money if they pay less. So that will also mean no more favors, which will mean more money in your bank account immediately. And your customers will not expect you to clean a whole 3-bedroom house in 2 hours, because they'll know exactly what you will be able to do in that 2 hours. And that is always a brilliant way to educate your clients before you even start, to avoid you getting customer complaints because you didn't clean their whole house, because that's what most customers expect. If you don't educate your clients properly right from the start with a pricing structure. If you like this video, remember to give me a thumbs up and comment cleaning boss down below if you agree. And then next week, we'll be discussing 3 ways to earn more money immediately. Remember to tune in for that episode. And if you've liked this video and would like to see more of these, remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell for notifications. And remember, if you would like to raise your prices with confidence without losing any income, I would love to invite you to my free masterclass, how to raise your prices like a pro without losing any income. I will add the link below. Sign up for my masterclass, get immediate access so you can raise your prices, earn more immediately, and actually have more time and the freedom you deserve. I'll see you next week. Bye.